What is the logic behind order comparison on non-numeric Python objects? Why does 123 is lower than list evaluate to true? Or list is lower than 123 to false? Or list is lower than dict to true? More generally, why do is lower than or is greater than not raise errors when a number is compared to a function, a list or such things? What's the logic behind this design choice? Note that this is in Python 2.7, it might not be true in Python 3. I didn't try it yet.
The comparison in such cases is done on the basis of type of the objects. For example, type 123 is int and type list is list, so the string comparison of int list returns to be true.
In Python 2, the docs say, Python implementation detail, objects of different types except numbers are ordered by their type names, objects of the same types that don't support proper comparison are ordered by their address. In Python 3, this word is fixed. The ordering comparison operators, equals, raise a type error exception when the operands don't have a meaningful natural ordering. Thus, expressions like 1, 0, none or len, equals len are no longer valid, and e.g. none raises type error instead of returning false. A corollary is that sorting a heterogeneous list no longer makes sense, all the elements must be comparable to each other. Note that this does not apply to the equals and not equal operators. Objects of different incomparable types always compare unequal to each other.